morning, guys. Happy Labor Day to you guys. It's Uncle Mike 392 out here at Choctaw Creek Park, out here in Choctaw, Oklahoma. They got a car show out here this morning. I just found out about it last night, guys. I passed by this car quite a few times years ago, but I never knew they had a car show out here. But now I know. And I just talked to the sponsor. He said they're gonna have it out here next year as well. So, and there's a big tower. There's my marker right there. That's how I know to get here next time. This person for me. Look for that big 5G cell phone tower right there. Okay. All right, I see the Batmobile over here. I did not see Batman and Robin this morning. Maybe they out having breakfast, but they left the car here. The car is here, and we're gonna go check it out. Okay. Hope you guys are having a good Labor Day morning. I'm out here working. I'm supposed to be off today, but I'm working. This is work because I got to go all this walking over here and get all these cars on my channel, but that's okay. That's what I do. No complaints, just talking. So here's the Batmobile right here. Let's look around on it. Let's look around. I don't like walking this grass, guys, because of my hip, but that's okay. We'll manage. Batman and Robin. There's somebody in that trailer. Somebody's in there. You can't hear, but I can hear him. Let me get different. I don't like walking in this grass, guys. This grass makes me nervous because of my hip. And that's all it is grass out here. Damn. I just got to take my time today. It's going to teach me nothing else. I've learned patience. Going to have to be patient walking around out here. So let's go down here where the cars are. And this grass is wet too. See how big this place is? It's a big place, man. Got plenty of content today, brother. That's where you register right here. You register right over there where that line is. That's where they're registering over here. They're coming up here in the grass. Oh, they got the Army truck coming out here too. Hey, U.S. Army. That's what I was in the Army 10 years, guys. Like a 5-ton. I don't think it's a deuce and a half. Too big for a deuce and a half. I think it's 5-ton. I used to drive deuce and a half 5 tons of gamma goats when I was in the Army. So. Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Coming around. It's trying to slide around me. They got me in the grass lineup. Look at that, man. Just like coffee and cars a little bit, only in the grass. Ooh, that's pretty blue. I like that blue. Beautiful blue. Oh, they're coming in. Look at that. They're lining up, coming around. See, that's why I like to come early, guys, so I can get these lineups. They're going all the way down there to the end. That's beautiful. Look at that. Willie's. Willie's. Do they have this out here every year?
Yeah, I think so.
Do they?
Yeah.
It's my first time coming. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a YouTube. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. I swear I didn't even know about this till last night.
Yeah, I think they have. This is the second time I've been here.
Yes, sir.
But I think they have it about every year.
Okay. Well, I'll know next year where to come to.
Yeah.
See, they're going way on down that way. Don't worry, I'm gonna go down there and get them when they get. I like to get them before they park. I like to hear them get them engines. I call them engine checks. Get to hear the engines. Check this out, man. Look at this beautiful Bel Air. Nice. Ooh, that's beautiful. I like it. I like it. That is a beauty, Bel Air. Yeah. Get on. Oh, I hear a Shelby. Sound like a Shelby. Yeah, it is a Shelby. GT 350 Shelby.
Yeah.
I know about the sounds now. I've been doing this so long. I just know by the sounds what it is.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm telling Jared.
GT 350. There you go. Ooh, that's nice. I like it. I like it. Check this out, guys. This is special. Look like a Daytona. It is a Daytona 392. There you go. It's nice out here in the grass, baby. Look at that beautiful orange and black Daytona. Mopar.
Yeah, it looks like you don't have a motor in your truck.
What's it? We go be commercial.
It's a beautiful van. Beautiful van.
It has no motor in it. You know, so you reach down here.
Let's go check this out, man. Is this all hand built?
Yeah,
Pretty much so, really? That's nice, I like it. Put it on my YouTube channel, man. That is nice. people. All right, there's some cars down here. Let's go in and check them out. Come on, let's go. Just gotta watch my steps because it's wet out here, and plus it's grass, and plus I see chuck holes. I'm going through the obstacle course for you guys today. That's worth 100,000 likes right there. Whose car is this? This is a beautiful green car.
Well, they actually go to car shows.
Look at this car right here, this green one, guys.
Bobby hates coming to car shows.
You do. How you doing, man? This you?
Hello. Yeah,
This, it's nice.
Thank you.
What color is this? What color? Crown sapphire?
Ooh, look at all these cars, man. I love it. Monday morning, Labor Day, September the 2nd, guys. And just think, the end of the week, I get to do this all over again at Remember Park at Coffee and Cars. But that's concrete. I feel more comfortable on that concrete. All right, let's keep going, shall we? This is a big park, man. I've never been in this park before. This is a huge park, man. And I didn't even know it was this close to my house. It's only like a 20-minute drive away. I didn't even know it was out here. Well, I'm from California, too. I'm still discovering Oklahoma, man. I'm still discovering things about Oklahoma. The only lake I've been to since I've been in Oklahoma is Lake Hefner. I heard they got many more, but I've only been to Hefner thus far. Look at them cleaning them off for you guys so they can look pretty. See how they clean them off for you guys so they can look pretty? I like it.
Drive on the right side of the road.
GTO. Look over here, let's get them.
It's a really nice morning, too. Yes, it is.
Smokey and the Bandit. Every time I see a Trans Am this age, I always think about Smokey and the Bandit. Rest in peace, Burt Reynolds.
Second house on the east side of the horseshoe.
Good morning, sir.
Get mine out where I park it in the garage. My wife's Suburban's in there, the floor's there. Only got
Sure.
flat doors.
Ooh, look at that beautiful view right there. Look at that. Check that out. Coda. Coda. Look at how this fool's way we run over. Barracuda, what's going on, brother?
Hey, Betty.
How you doing? I started from way up there, now I'm on, well, there's still more cars down there at the other end, so I don't know how far this goes. How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Uncle Mike.
392, that's my, you can see your car on my channel.
Yeah,
I have it on.
Stuff.
Huh? Do you? I appreciate it, brother.
Look at your stuff.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Because I don't know who watched my videos. Once I put it on, it belongs to YouTube, you know?
Yeah.
All I know, I got 3 things. Put it on, to edit it, and if I have to change the music, that. But once I put it on YouTube, it's out of my hands.
Doing a good job.
Thank you. I appreciate it, brother.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
I call up the family and say, look out, I'm on YouTube.
There you go. I appreciate it, man. I didn't know they had that. I just found out about this last night.
Yeah, I found out about it a couple of days ago.
Okay, well, you found out before I did.
I don't know if it's for real or not.
It's for real. Good morning.
Morning.
How y'all doing?
Good, you?
Ooh, I'm doing fine, thank you, sir. Ooh, that's nice. I love that yellow. That's nice. Have a great day, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Oh, yeah. I just hope my battery lasts.
The old ones, they're all nice. Yeah, the newer ones.
All right, guys. I'm gonna go walk that other side. I'm gonna go around. I don't know how far does it go. I have no idea how far this goes down there. I'm just gonna. I don't want to run my battery down if I don't have to. I forgot to bring my extra charger.
Yeah, they don't reproduce it. It's like a brand new car. It's like new.
What's going on, guys?
How you doing?
Fine. You know I was gonna. Hey man, this is what I do, brother.
Well, you gotta get out of the gate a little earlier, don't you?
I'll see you guys this Saturday, man. You know what this Saturday is, right?
Yep.
What's up, brother?
How you doing?
Coffee and cars, man. Saturday.
Remington Park.
Yeah, there you go. And I only live 2 blocks from there, so I mean 2 miles from there, so yeah, I'll be there. I didn't even know about this the last night.
Really?
I went on Facebook and I said, what?
You're on the wrong websites because we're
I
on
know.
Choctaw.
I check out my information on.
It's been on the Choctaw website. for
I didn't
months.
even know that, bro. So where do I need to go to find out about things in Choctaw?
Probably
What's
just
it?
follow Choctaw Carts and Coffee was probably on there, wasn't it?
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Hey, check the page up on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Sparkleweed.
Check on that metal flake page.
I'm gonna get it on there for you. You can see it on my channel in 4K.
It's like a bastard.
Yeah, dude. Where's the bass at? Where's the reels at?
Friends of Choctaw, I think. Is
Let me
what
get
it
you
is.
guys on here.
Friends of Choctaw.
Well, you can look back years. So this is where I was September
I was
2nd,
here.
That's
Labor Day. So Labor Day, this
Yeah,
is where I was,
that's where I
guys, right
was.
here. Thunderbird.
Beautiful day.
Oh yeah. So let me continue on, guys. I'll see you guys Saturday, man.
Have a good one.
All right,
sir.
you too, sir. So how long does this last? To what time? To one. Okay. I got a question to ask you guys. Do you want me to make one long video or split them up like I usually do? I can make one long one and split them up for 20 minutes apiece.
It's your project.
No, but I want to know what y'all want. You know, you watch it.
I tell you what,
Probably 20 minutes a piece. Yeah.
Because this is almost at 20 minutes right now, so just
I like about a 22 minute.
22. Got you.
22 minutes.
I got you. And you, sir, what you want to see? 20 or longer?
I probably broke that. Probably better.
Okay, I got you.
22 minutes.
Got
is
you.
it.
Got
Maybe
you.
22 and a half minutes.
Got you. 22 and a half. Now we're splitting hairs, right? Okay, I got you, brother. I got you. All right. All right, guys, I'm going to end it right here on the first video. I'm going to start my second one. I'll see you guys on the other side. Late.